In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma, how to organize your pages with dividers. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable way to keep your files tidy so teammates can find what they need fast. First, open the Figma website and sign in. You can do this in any modern browser, and the desktop app works the same way if that's your preference. Once you're in, open the design file you want to organize. This approach is great for any project, from quick explorations to production-ready handoff files. Now, prepare your page. Take a quick look at your file and think about the major sections you'd like to separate, like exploration, components, or final screens. You don't need to create anything new yet. The goal is just to know what you'll be grouping. This mental map will help your dividers make sense later. Next, look to the sidebar where your pages are listed. You'll see the current page along with any others in the file. Find the small plus icon next to page. Click that plus icon to add a new page. This creates a blank page that we'll use as our divider. Immediately rename the new page so it clearly looks like a divider. A simple and effective option is a clean line made from characters, like a row of dashes or underscores. For example, you could type something like be a divider, or a minimal line like A. The key is to make it visually stand out without looking like a regular working page. You can also add a short label if it helps, but keep it short and consistent so it's easy to scan. This divider page doesn't need any frames or content. It exists purely to separate sections of your file so people can quickly see where one area ends and another begins. Keeping it empty avoids confusion and makes your structure obvious at a glance. A few quick tips to make this stick. Use the same divider style across your team so everyone recognizes it instantly. Keep the divider name short and neutral so it doesn't compete with real page names. And if your file grows, it's okay to add another divider later to keep your sections clear. Just match the same naming pattern you chose here. That's it. You've opened Figma, prepared your file structure, found your pages, added a new page with the plus icon, and renamed it to act as a clean divider. This small habit makes large files easier to navigate and helps collaborators get oriented fast.